Hello friends. Come, let us talk about the share market. What is the share market? Why is it in place? How does it work? What are its advantages and disadvantages? And how you can invest money in it? Stock market, share market or equity market, all three mean the same. These are markets where you can buy or sell a company's shares. Buying shares of a company means buying some percentage of ownership of that company. That is, you become the holder of a percentage of that company. If that company makes a profit, some percentage of that profit would also be given to you. If that company incurs a loss, a percentage of that loss would also be borne by you. Telling you an example of this on the smallest scale, presume you have to establish a startup. You have 10,000 rupees, but that's not enough. So, you go to your friend and tell him to invest another 10,000 rupees and offer him a 50-50 partnership. So, whatever your company profits in the future, 50% of it would be yours. 50% of it would be your friend's. In this case, you've given 50% of the shares to your friend in this company. The same thing happens on a larger scale in the stock market. The only difference being, instead of going to your friend, you go the entire world and invite them to buy shares in your company.